This is just a quick episode on using Suno in the classroom. If you haven't heard of Suno, it's an AI song generation tool. And here I am logged into my account and just looking through all of these creations from other people. But the cool part about Suno is the way that you can create a song so fast. And so here I am in my song creation spot, and I'm going to type in here a hip hop song about cell division. And then I just hit create, and Suno starts to think of a couple versions of the song. And you can see here, I've got one I've done for Forces in Motion called Pushing and Pulling. I was playing around and created one called Friday Funk, which is all about teachers loving Friday and microscopes and you name it. And so this is a fun way, I think, to incorporate music into your classroom, and you can really personalize the songs. And so as I've been playing with it, I've come up with a list of possible ways to use Suno in the classroom. Some of them could be collaborative storytelling, historical period music, trying to create a song that might belong in a certain time in the past. That could be a lot of fun. Incorporating poetry. I use it for science concepts and songs. I've tried playing a song in the background as students enter the room, and for their do now, they had to listen to the song and list all of the ways that they notice the song content connecting to the content we've been studying in class. Do the same with math concepts, multimedia presentations. You can make an actual original song for the backdrop for that. And then also songs to celebrate the end of a unit of study to sum up all the things that you learned about. A couple tips when using Suno or any other AI: always give attribution. Let people know that you used AI, where you did that at. It's a great opportunity to discuss AI ethics with your students. And I would think that students would love to work together to collaborate on songs. So using Suno can definitely help students practice those collaboration skills. And then finally, I think you could get lost in just playing with Suno, which you can with a lot of digital tools. And so kids really need things like checklists and rubrics to help zero in on what they need to do so they don't get lost in everything else. I highly recommend checking out Suno. It's a little bit addictive, and I think you really get a kick out of it. If you can think of any other ways, or maybe you are using Suno in your classroom, and if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. Someone else may really appreciate it. I know I'll appreciate it, and I'd love to check out some more creative possibilities to incorporate this tool. So thanks for watching, listening, and share this with someone else who you might think would use some quickly created, clever songs in the classroom. Take care.